Are you after some fudgy, crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside brownies? Same. That's why I made these ones. Welcome. Thanks for coming if it's your first time. Thanks for coming back if it's your second time. Really appreciate it, but also really appreciate it if you subscribed and wanted more content and wanted to hear about it first, because it's so exclusively public. Love you. I know you're here for brownies though, so let's get into it. First, add 150 grams of 00 flour into a mixing bowl. Sift that through. Then add your cocoa powder, 100 grams. Sift that through as well. Then add 6 grams of flaky sea salt, grind it in. Into a separate bowl, add 350 grams of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of very optional peanut butter, 250 ml of vegetable oil, and 250 grams of unsalted melted butter. Give this a whisk. And then pour your whisked wet mixture into your sifted dry mixture. Wait for it to come in focus. Boom. Next, chop up not 1 but 2 cheeky blocks of Lindt chocolate. Finely-ish, in like shards. I don't often cook brownies. In fact, I've only cooked brownies 3 times, this being the 3rd. For any other inspired males out there who didn't do this in home ec at school like me, you may be interested to know that you fold at this point so that you don't let any air into the mixture. If you whisk it like you did with the sugar and the butter, you'll let lots of air in and you'll get a brownie cake. No judgment if that's what you want. Maybe we can have a chat. Maybe we can talk about your future if you don't like thick with 4 C's, fudgy, chewy brownie. Santa Maria! So fold, don't whisk at this stage. As Gordon Ramsay would say. Or as an American might say, oh wow, look at that. Oh wow. I mean, that's nationalist, but whatever. This step's not essential, but it helps stick the paper down, I find. There might be a better way of doing it. Or better paper, I don't know. Spray in your desired baking dish. Place in your paper. Really sorry. For some reason, didn't record me pouring this in. RIP slow-mo. Okay then, now that you've smudged it all down, chuck it in the oven for about 25 minutes or until it's the perfect texture for you and your face. Alright, so change of location because we've got a lot of things going on. This is a shared household. Sorry if there's any background noise, but we're doing it. It's time to cut and have some red wine, grape juice, whatever. Whatever you like your children about, but I know you. Right, so it's been cooling for about half an hour, 40 minutes, prime time. Moment of truth time. It's perfect. It's chewy, gooey, squidgy, smudgy. I mean, it's everything that you make brownies for. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I know it's not a crazy out there video, it's brownies. I mean, everyone's made brownies, but hopefully this recipe is as amazing as I cranked it up to be. I thought it was. I hope you really enjoy it. I hope you make it this weekend or whenever you're watching this, really. I'm about to go on a 30-second gratitude rant. So if you don't want to hear that, just feel free to move on. Go watch how to make bagels or something awesome. Wow, it's windy. So yeah, thanks for sticking around to the end. So I guess I want to say 3 things. First thing, thank you to everyone who subscribed, liked, commented, encouraged, all that good stuff in the first month of making these cooking videos. I've really appreciated it. I'm having heaps of fun. I hope you're enjoying it, and I hope the content keeps getting better. Second thing is, what sort of content would you like to see? So far I've made whatever I felt like, but I would really like to make things that the 100 or so people watching would actually like to see me make. If there's something that a few of you would like to see, then I'd be more than happy to do it. I'd love to do it. I'd love to try it. I'd love to learn how to make it if I've got no idea, and hopefully get you guys to make it too. The third and final thing is, I guess, the purpose of the channel. Lots of people have said over the last few years of me cooking at home that they could never do that, or that looks amazing, where did you learn that? How do you do that? And the answer is just giving it a go. I don't think I'm talented or special at all in the kitchen, definitely not with the camera. I'm just learning and I'm giving it a go. I know this is cheesy, but I really want to inspire or motivate other people who would just, want to have some delicious dishes at home. They don't have to be amazing, they just have to be better than whatever you made last week or whatever you didn't make last week. I love eating food and I love sharing food, and if you love one or both of those things, then just stick around. Anyway, as I said before, thanks heaps for watching, really appreciate it. Don't stop the comments, don't stop the feedback, positive or negative. I try and take it all on board. I'll see you next week. Ciao.